friends, it's Michelle with Empty Nest DIY, and today I want to talk to you about paste. Sometimes we have some paste challenges. As you can see, sometimes when you buy jars of paste, they get a little dry and sticky. So what do you do other than throw this paste jar away? Please don't do that because you can revive it. So what I've done is I want you to take your paste jar and we're going to add just some really hot water to it, and I'm going to let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then we'll come back and check on it. To my multi-tool, it's a little bit stronger and works kind of actually a whole lot better in instances where your paste is just really thick. So I'm just going around the edges and just kind of smushing it down, trying to work some of this water into it. So that's what I want you to do. Just keep working it and keep stirring it. I'm not getting a whole lot of little lumps, which is good because those are really kind of difficult to get out. But as you can see, that amount of hot water almost has given me just really a perfect consistency to a jar of paste that I really thought I was going to have to throw out.